Hello and welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Asian style meatballs with coconut and lime. Hope you enjoy it. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First, let's make the meatballs. Put the pork in a suitably sized bowl. Add half the garlic, chilli, lime zest and ginger. Follow this with the soy sauce and sesame oil. Then follow this with salt and pepper to taste. And lastly, the corn flour. And if you can get the corn flour in the bowl and over the worktop, you're doing well. Then it's in with your hands and give it a thorough mixing together. And just remember, if you don't like your hands getting all sticky, get your wife to do it. Then when the ingredients are thoroughly mixed together, form into walnut sized pieces. Then when you're ready to cook, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a suitably sized frying pan, add the meatballs and fry on a medium heat until nice and golden brown. You're not worried about cooking them all the way through, just giving them some nice colour. When the meatballs are lovely and golden brown, remove from the pan and reserve. Next thing we do is remove any excess oil from the pan, add the onions and fry off for a minute or two. When the onions have had a minute or two in the pan, it's time to add the remaining garlic, ginger, chilli and lime zest. Allow this to cook for 30 seconds to a minute, then add the coconut milk, thoroughly mix in. Then you add salt and pepper to taste, bring up to a simmer and allow it to cook for 3 or 4 minutes. And when this is done, simply add the meatballs back to the coconut sauce and allow it to simmer until the right consistency you want is achieved and the meatballs are cooked all the way through. At this point you could add the chopped coriander in, if you'd remember to buy some. In my defence, I did have a lot on my mind, like if my wife would find out I'd been to the pub on the way home. Anyway, when the sauce is nice and unctuous and the meatballs are cooked all the way through, serve on a bed of noodles. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.